You are watching this video because you have a stealth cam and the time and date are wrong and you don't know how to set that. Well, I'm here to show you how to do that, how to set your time and date on your stealth cam. It doesn't seem easy at first, and because when you turn it on and push menu, it doesn't do anything. So I downloaded the manual, and I'll show you how to do that so you can get all of the instructions for your stealth cam. I downloaded the manual, and basically you can use that QR code to scan to figure out what kind of camera you have. I found out through my manual that I had to go to the 5th setting here, which is custom setting, and within the first, before the countdown stops, so the first 30 seconds, you have to push menu. So you have to be to position number 5, which is custom, and before the countdown stops, you have to push menu. Then you got your setup time and date, and that's where you can proceed. Basically, you hit enter, and it'll flash the month. So you scroll up and down and get your month set in. Then you can go over, same thing for the date, and again, same thing for the year. And then hit enter when you're done. Then to get time, you scroll down one. There's your setup time. I can see there's something wrong with that. That's not what time it really is. So let's go in and let's see, you have to hit enter to get it to flash. And let's go over here. There. Now that is correct as well. So there you have it. That's how you set the time and date and other settings on your stealth cam. You can go through other settings like time format, what kind of photos, operating hours, resolution for day, resolution for night, and the delay before it takes a picture, the range for the motion, and then other settings. And there you have it. This is how you set up your stealth cam. Oh, before you go, I was going to show you how to download the manual. Basically, you look up the website. You can just Google stealth cam manual and download it. I'll show that to you here. Basically, I went into my browser. I use DuckDuckGo, and you do a search for stealth cam instruction manual. You will get their main page, and then you want product manuals. I went and picked what kind of stealth cam I have, and basically you can get any manual of any camera that you have. It's that easy. You can download it, and now you have it on your computer for any time that you need to look up any function of your camera. It's a good thing to have at hand because it increases the productivity of the tool that you're using. If you have any suggestions or experiences to share regarding your trail camera, please write that in the comments below, because we can all learn from each other. Thank you for watching Frosty Life. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. But I do encourage you to make a comment. That always helps others learn about their camera. By the way, what is the most interesting video you have ever recorded on your trail camera? Mine is an otter doing a funny little dance on my dock. I'm going to make a separate video of that. You guys can check it out when I upload it. That'll be within the next week or so. So stay tuned to Frosty Life. Thanks for watching.